Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss Betelgeuse blowing off its top in a rare cosmic event. NASA releases images of a never-before-seen phenomenon where a star named Betelgeuse blew its top off and ejected a gigantic portion of its surface mass. The event is known as surface mass ejection, and according to the space agency, the ejection was 400 billion times the mass of an ordinary solar flare from our Sun. These new observations yield clues as to how red stars lose mass late in their lives as their nuclear fusion furnaces burn out, before exploding as supernovae, said the agency. Scientists termed the event as watching stellar evolution in real time. A star blasting off such huge chunks of its physical form has surprised many. While scientists have stated that the unusually huge amount of ejection in Betelgeuse doesn't mean it is about to blow up or die anytime soon, it surely is a phenomenon that needs more understanding. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star present in the right shoulder of the Orion constellation. A red giant tag means that Betelgeuse is quickly burning through its fuel, in the process expanding to a size roughly 1.6 billion kilometers in diameter. Observing Betelgeuse may allow scientists to understand what happens with a star when it enters the last stretch of its life. At the end of it all, when Betelgeuse runs out of nuclear fusion reaction, it will explode and turn into a supernova. Astronomers believe that we may be able to see the phenomenon from Earth. The Sun of our solar system routinely ejects mass, which is commonly referred to as solar flares. However, the Sun only blows off small pieces of its outer atmosphere called corona, thereby lending it the term coronal mass ejection. Hence, surface mass ejections and coronal mass ejections may be different events. The surface ejection also explains the mystery behind Betelgeuse mysteriously dimming in the images taken in late 2019 and 2020. Scientists around the world were perplexed as to why the phenomenon was taking place. Turns out, the dimming was due to a huge dust cloud that was formed as a result of the SME blocking the star's light. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.